Hi everyone, it's WebTech once again, and in this video I am going to show you how to install WordPress locally on your laptop or your desktop. So probably you want to work on a project, on a WordPress project, and you don't have a hosting and a domain name yet, so you can just install WordPress locally on your laptop and you can do anything that you want. It works like a normal WordPress website. So let's get into this video. Now open your web browser and go to apachefriends.org and download XAMP. So if you're using Windows, download for Windows. If you're using Linux system, download for Linux. And if you're using Mac OS, so download for Mac OS. Alright, so for me, I am using Windows system, so I'm just gonna download it here. Alright, awesome. Your download should start automatically. If it doesn't, click here. So let me just click here and the download should start. Okay, as you can see, the download has started. If you are finished downloading the XAMP, you should find it in your downloads and just click on it. Click on it to open it. Click on next and click on next and next. Alright, so this will take about some few minutes to finish installing, so let us wait. Okay, so the setup has finished installing. Click on finish and mark this. You want to start the control panel now? Yeah. Okay, so once it's started running, you should start the first one and the second one, because that is what we actually need, the Apache and the MySQL. So start, and this also starts. Okay, and click on allow access. Alright, and go to your web browser and click on localhost. So just search for localhost, nothing, no write anything, just write only localhost there. You see that this actually opens, and note that this only opens when you run this Apache and MySQL. So as you can see, this is how everything works. You can check some of the features that is there. The PHP info, PHP admin, which is the database. If you want to install WordPress to this, go to wordpress.com, or sorry, wordpress.org, and click on get WordPress right here. So download WordPress 6.1.1, depending on the latest version of the WordPress whenever you're watching this video. So allow this to finish downloading, and we're gonna install it manually. Alright, so this has finished downloading right here. Click on show in folder. So once you finish downloading it, you will find it in the download folder or any folder that you set your download to be, and we're going to extract to WordPress. So now that it has finished extracting, let's open the folder, and for this you can rename this to anything you want. Let me just say let me write webtech guide, and copy this, then paste it here, and open htdocs. Alright, right here, and paste it here. Okay, now that we have copied this, go back to your web browser and open localhost slash the name of the WordPress website. For example, I rename it to web tech guide, so you can rename it to anything. So you will get this page where you can set everything up. Okay, let's choose the language. For me, I'm going to choose English and continue. So let's go. Now the next step is that we're going to create a database name. So go back to localhost and click on phpMyAdmin. Then we are going to create a new database. Click on new and database name. Let me write web tech guide. And click on create. Alright, database has been created. So database name web tech guide. Then the username should be roots and the password should be empty. And this, let's go back to this and click on submit. So if that is successful, you can easily run your installation. So click here. Alright, so your site name, let me just type this, and your username, let me copy and paste this, let me just leave this password, then your email, this, and click on install WordPress. Okay, so the password has been changed and let us log in our account. Remember me, login. As you can see, this works exactly like our normal WordPress website. You can see you can change the themes, the plugins. You can use anything that you want. Add new theme. So as you can see, you can add new theme, and you can add plugins. You can upload customized plugins or customized themes. So this is basically how it works, and it is very easy to do. Alright, and this is where you can upload customized plugins. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos like this. Thank you.